Hello friends, it's autumn season here in Lebanon and I gathered dried flowers, foliage and dead grasses like this, and I'm going to make them into a very beautiful and lovely bouquet. Please watch this video until the end so you will understand what I mean. In this video, I will show you how I gathered them, how I colored them, and how I formed them into a very lovely bouquet. I call them the eternal bouquet. So in this video, I'm going to make these dried collected flowers and grasses and foliage. I'm gonna make a huge bouquet. My friend is going to have a goodbye summer welcome autumn kind of party. If you're interested to get more ideas and inspiration about how to collect, how to color, how to paint, and how to transform these dried flowers or dried grasses or dried branches into a beautiful bouquet, please check my other videos. I already posted several of it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy watching and you're gonna get inspired and motivated to give attention to your surroundings. It's so cool to just get all this for free. I don't have to buy. I just need to buy some paint, and I love to create out of free materials that we can just gather from our surroundings, from our backyard, from our, when we walk. I always look for something else to, things that sometimes we thought it's already not useful, and yet when I look at it, I think I can do something about it so it can be useful. And then inspiration comes. So I'm gonna leave you in silence to watch, so you're gonna get more inspiration. And once again, thank you for being here. It's really my pleasure to share my thoughts and my inspiration as well to all of you. Hope you'll get the motivation. More power to everyone, and keep slaying, keep sharing, and keep supporting. God bless.